Have you guys met my cardboard cutout taemin yet? This was the last cardboard cutout of taemin they had, and he looked like he don't even want to be here. He looks like me at a party when I'm trying to end a conversation or I'm just trying to disassociate. Yes, I do watch Dashi as well. Definitely one of my biggest inspirations. He looked like he's just being nice for being here. Like he's just here for a check, which I will pay you. Anyways, this is my taemin cardboard cutout. Speaking about SM, Red Velvet's comeback is here. I checked it out. Go check out the reaction with my girlfriend Hejin, who is a super huge Red Velvet fan. Also Sogi bias. Who's your bias in Red Velvet? Who's your bias in Red Velvet? There we go. To be honest, now that I have a taemin cardboard cutout, sometimes I get kind of scared, but also like intrigued. Anyways, we're live on Twitch right now checking out Red Velvet's album, and then we're gonna play the scary game called Parasocial. It's by Chilla Art Games. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I've seen Dashi play. I've seen faves like Corey X Kenshin, Berleezy, and I kind of want to play it myself. So live on Twitch right now. Come check it out. Yeah, link in the description. Click it. Ain't that right, taemin?